I bought a little induction cooktop and it's a little loud, so I apologize for that. But as you can see, I have boiling water in this pot. You can make as many soft-boiled eggs as you want at one time, guys, okay? I'm just gonna cook 2. Get yourself a big slotted spoon so that you can submerge the eggs in the water without breaking them. And if they crack a little bit, it doesn't matter, it still works. So we're just gonna put these in carefully. And we're gonna start our timer at 5 minutes. All right, 5 minutes have gone by. I'm going to remove these eggs and I'm going to dunk them in a bowl of cold water. This will stop the cooking. It'll also make it easier for me to peel them. We'll peel these now. Salt and pepper. There you have it, guys. A perfectly cooked soft-boiled egg. Oh, yummy. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.